twerk dancing midget on OnlyFans. These things will come in inspiration, and inspiration is moving in spirit. Tapping in the spirit is as simple as closing your eyes.
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Running out of time. Time is forever and a day. The never-ending story. When we think about time or quantifying time, we're setting ourselves into a trap.
Gotcha, bitch!
The world has put a major trick on our ass. Put a trick on us to believe that we have to get things done in a certain time, or that we must make it happen in this particular time and space. This was programmed into us by the indoctrination of the westernized mindset. Make it to school on time. Turn in this book report at this time. You eat lunch at this particular time. Not saying that doesn't have relevance for your human mundane world. Hey, follow the script that the society has programmed us with, to get ahead. But when we're talking about your goals or aspiration in life, that's when we punched in too late. You have to let this notion go in spiritual work, human mundane goals, and all the accomplishments you're trying to achieve. There is no expiration date. We're so busy comparing our lives to other counterparts and others that we're missing out on life right now.
Message!
Your time is now, and the only thing is now. Period. Enjoy yourself in this matrix. Live and stop trying to make deadlines. How are you going to live on deadlines? Look at a child. You think their mind is contemplating what time they're going to enjoy themselves?
Nope.
No, they're in the space of spirit. Childlike spirit. Spirit. Inspiration. Moving how the wind blows and not abiding to some external control. No, not a law-abiding citizen. A chaos being. This is about tapping into spirit and being aligned with spirit so you can move in accordance to your spirit. How do you tap into spirit? Well, 1, working on self and letting it all go. Yeah, I know if you've been in the spiritual community, that sounds cliche and something you heard before. But it's true. It's power. And is the basis of your God body. The mind has a counterpart called the ego. And the ego wants you to be safe, secure, and obedient in this matrix. That's cool and understanding. No one ain't trying to get locked up in this bitch. And no one definitely ain't aiming to live in a cardboard box. But at the end of the day, you still have to let the notion go of being someone. Being the manager at your job. Getting that master's degree in school administration. Being the flyest twerk dancing midget on OnlyFans. These things will come in inspiration. And inspiration is moving in spirit. Tapping in the spirit is as simple as closing your eyes. Yeah, that's right. Meditation is the key to spirit. And not just one time or ever so often, Consistent, persistent meditation.
Consistent, persistent meditation. Consistent, persistent meditation.
Build up a practice to love on yourself. Meditation is when you get to know yourself at a more intimate level.
I love you.
Hold on. So wait. You believe your higher self doesn't know what your goal is? You don't have to explain to your higher self your goal. That's you. You're it. You, your own universe. You, your own understanding. But you have to get out your own way. The ego. Believing you're running out of time. You're not. You're going to be right on time. As long as you're putting spirit first, you're in alignment with who you're claiming to be. Remember, first, spirit, then the seconds. Will come. Dream wise.